Hi guys, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Ambe and Jai Sainath. Welcome to my channel, Abhigna, Patel and Ayansh Daily Masti. Yay! It's a nature walk. Peppa Pig. Yay! I like the nature walk. It's a Peppa Pig and the nature walk. Peppa Pig and nature walk. Look at this. George and Peppa. Ah, 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 look at here. Look at the Peppa, Grandpa, George. Is a cheese, watermelon, grapes, banana, apple, strawberry cheesecake. Wow, it's so yummy. It's a warm sunny day. And the Peppa Pig, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig are going on a nature walk. But first, they are having a picnic, lunch. Sweet, juicy strawberries. Yummy, says Pippa. Yum, yum. Look at the duck here, too. Look at the Grandpa Pippa here. Oh. Buzz, buzz, buzz. What's that? Asked Daddy Pig. It's a wasp. Daddy Pig does not want to be strong. Peppa has brought along her favorite book. Is a nature everywhere. Nature. Peppa can't wait to see plants, birds, insects, and more. Nature is everywhere, she say. Oh, let's go for walk. Yay! Wasps are helpful, says Peppa. They won't hurt you if you leave them alone. But say George. Come back, Daddy Pig. Look at the Daddy Pig is running. Oh, think the wasps. It's a pig. Oops. Daddy Pig is running. Come back, Daddy Pig. Think the wasp just want a taste of your cake. Say Peppa. Look at the Daddy Pig is running. Bee, Duck, Peppa, George, and Mummy Pig. Look at the bee house. Woo! Look at the bee. It's a Mummy Pig, Peppa, and George. Look, say Mummy Pig. The wasp is going back home. Yay! Some wasps live together in nests they make from chew up wood. They are chew up the wood. Oh, look at the Mummy Pig, Peppa, and George. Chip, 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 chip. Peppa point up at a tree. Oh, she's a baby bird in a nest. Look at the baby bird and mommy bird. A bird brings food to its chicks before they learn to fly. Look at here. It's a turtle. It's pretend by the turtle. Look, something green is moving along the ground. Is a green something moving along the ground? It's a turtle. Say Peppa. It's a turtle. It's a very slow. George practices his turtle walk. Look at the George. It's pretend like turtle. Next one is turtle. Turtles walk slowly, but they can swim. Oh, swim very fast. Oh, it's a Mummy Pig. Wow, flower. It's everywhere. Flower, sun, Peppa and George. It's everywhere. Flower. Mommy pig pick a flower. It's a small. It smells lovely. She say, Peppa, see some diseases. Uh-oh. Oh, so pretty, she say. Look at the George and Peppa. Peppa makes a daisy chain. George makes a lion mane out of dandelions. Roar! Look at the lion. It's a roar, say George. I like the flower. Daisies petal close at night and open again in the morning. Look at here. It's a ladybug. Peppa sees something tiny and red on a leaf. It's a ladybug. She said, I love spotted a ladybug. It's a ladybug too. Ladybugs have two sets of wings. It's a two sets of wings. Mommy pig, George is a butterfly. Flower. Yay! A butterfly flutters over and land on a flower. Another one land on George's nose. Look at the George nose. Butterflies taste with their feet. Look at the next one. Oh, Peppa and George. They are playing. Whoa. Peppa and George play in the tall grass. This is a grass. It is a tall grass. Butterflies are beautiful. Say Peppa. Let's be butterfly. Look at the butterfly. You see what is this? It's a caterpillar. Peppa and George play in the tall grass. Butterflies are beautiful. Say Peppa, let's be butterflies. This is a caterpillar. It's a baby butterfly. And they convert to butterfly. George point up at the sky. Look at the sky. Yum yum. Like. Yay. Clouds say Peppa, and that one looks like candy. Yay. Clouds are made up of tiny drops of water. It's a rain. Look at the Peppa and George. George looks down at the ground. There is a long line of ants. You see the ant is here, is everywhere. Ew, is ant. Munching, 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 hop, hop, hop. Where are they going? Asked Peppa. Peppa and George follow the ants. Oh. Ants are very strong. They can carry something 50 times their weight. Oh. The ant march up the hill. Look at here. Now start here to going to here to here. Is going marches up the hill. Yay! The ant marched down the hill. Look at the hill. It's a big hill. It's like going to up on a hill. Down is down, 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 and down. The ants march down the hill. Everyone marches down the hill. What's on the other side? Yum yum. Look at here. Yay! Daddy Pig, you miss our nature walk. Say Peppa. I think you had a nature walk of your own. Ha 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 ha. Peppa Pig nature walk. So thank you guys. And so the video ni har khub khub baba. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye Peppa. Bye George. Bye Mommy Pig.